This is the Yardcare 14-inch 2-in-1 Dethatcher and Scarifier. This does have a 14-inch cutting path, but the blades themselves are about 10 inches wide. You can see here we got the Dethatcher blade out here, and it's got all these little springs and tines that are going to go into your lawn and pull up all the thatch like I have here. It does come with a 10.5 gallon bag you can hook onto the back of the Dethatcher. There's a bit of thatch left in there. It does have 5 height settings. You've got 10mm, -3mm, -6mm, -9mm and -12mm. Has a quick changeover blade on the bottom. We've got scarifying blade on right now, but you just undo this nut here and pull the blade off, and then you can hook it back up. It's nice and light. You can carry it with one hand, and then when you want to store it, these handles do fold down. You just undo these nuts here and the handles will fold down so it can be stored nice and compactly. I really like this with the bag on the back. You just lift up this flap and then hook it on. I was running this with the flap down and with the bag on, and had some great results both ways. The Dethatcher itself is really easy to maneuver, and when you start moving, it pulls itself along. You just can slow it down a little bit if you want to get a better detach. You can see here in this video just how much thatch I was able to pull up from my yard by using this Yardcare Dethatcher. I like the fact that it's a 2-in-1, so you can use Scarifier or a Dethatcher. It also has the bag so you can bag the clip-ins immediately. I like to just come over with my lawnmower and pick everything up, because emptying this bag you have to empty a lot of times. If you're looking for a Dethatcher or a Scarifier for your lawn, I really recommend you get this Yardcare electric 14-inch Dethatcher.